Almost every country faces the same problem when the rainy season arrives, whether at home or at work. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple yet highly useful tool that will come in handy during rainy days. The first step is to prepare a copper pipe. You can easily buy one online at a fairly affordable price. Here, I'm using a copper pipe with a diameter of 6 millimeters and a length of about 1 meter. Seal one end of the pipe, then fill it with fine sand. Use fine sand to ensure a smoother and higher quality result. I'm using beach sand because of its soft texture and easy availability. The best part is, you don't even have to spend any money, just use the sand you can easily find around you. Then, seal the other end of the pipe to prevent the sand from spilling out. Next, carefully shape the copper pipe into a spiral. You can use a round wooden rod or a PVC pipe as a mold to help form a smooth and even spiral. The sand inside the pipe plays an important role. It prevents the pipe from bending or collapsing during the shaping process, ensuring the final result stays smooth and perfectly formed. Which country are you watching this video from? Let me know in the comments. It's truly amazing to see how we can stay connected with people from all around the world. After the copper pipe has been shaped into a spiral, open the sealed end and carefully remove all the sand inside. Make sure the pipe is completely clean and free of sand so it's ready for the next step. Next, prepare a lighter and attach the end of the spiral copper pipe to the front of the lighter. Then, prepare a manual spray bottle, like the one commonly used for bathing birds or watering plants, and connect them using a small hose as the connector. However, when both tools are positioned side by side, a problem appears. The spray bottle's cap cannot open because it's blocked by the lighter's body. To solve this issue, I added a small wooden block in the middle as a spacer. This wooden piece helps create enough distance between the lighter and the spray bottle, allowing the cap to open easily and ensuring the entire setup works smoothly without any obstruction. You can connect all three parts using a hot glue gun. This method makes it easy to detach or disassemble any part later without causing any damage. Once everything is securely connected and the device is ready, it's time to move on to the most exciting part, filling in the fuel that will power this tool. The fuel I'm using here is the refill liquid from a mosquito spray canister. Pour a sufficient amount of this liquid into the container you've prepared. Next, I'm adding diesel fuel. The ratio I'm using is 1:1 with the mosquito spray refill liquid. This combination will create a powerful fuel mixture that's perfect for running the tool we've just built. Pour the fuel mixture into the sprayer's container. Regular mosquito sprayers often don't work well, especially during the rainy season. So, I built this improved version to make it more powerful and effective around your home. Make sure the container is sealed tight. Then connect the hose to the end of the spiral tube. Next, prepare some steel wool and cut it to the desired size. Insert it into the center of the copper spiral's tip. The purpose of the steel wool is to hold and stabilize the flame, allowing the heat to concentrate more effectively on the copper coil attached to the tip of the lighter. This helps maintain a steady temperature and makes the combustion process much more efficient. The working principle of this tool is quite similar to professional fogging machines that are often sold at a high price. However, this time I've created a mini version that performs just as effectively but at a much lower cost. When used, this tool can produce mosquito-repelling smoke that quickly drives away mosquitoes around your home, and it's even powerful enough to cover a much wider area if needed. In addition to repelling mosquitoes, this tool can also be used to eliminate various types of pests that often attack plants in your garden or backyard.